We'll guide you through how to access Google Chrome settings. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Chrome, and so you're wanting to go and access the settings. We're going to guide you through how this is done. In there, you can go and change site settings, so different permissions on sites. You can go and change other defaults as well. You can go and see save passwords and change other things as well. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it is full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So we've also got different ways you can do as well. So if you don't get on along with one of them, you can go and try another. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So just go and open up Chrome as you usually would. I'm just on the default Chrome page, but you could be on another web page as well. It doesn't matter. So what you can do is you can come to the top right of Chrome, and there you're going to go and find three dots. So this is the sort of the main way of navigating here. And if it doesn't work, we've got another way for you. So click those three dots and you're going to go and see a list of options. Lots of different things you can do, but what you need to do is come right down to the bottom. And there at the bottom, you're going to see exit. And just above that, you see settings with the gear or cog icon. So you can go and click there and you should then be brought to your settings. Now, alternatively, if you can't see that option, it's not on this list, make sure you come all the way down. Alternatively, what you can do is you can come to the address bar. So you could just open up a new tab. And what you need to do is go and type in Chrome, CHROME://settings. Just like so. Press enter and you'll then be brought straight to the settings. So that's a different way of getting there. When you open up the Chrome settings, you go and start on the You and Google page. So you can go and access your account at the top here, your Google services, customize your profile and import bookmarks and settings. But when you then come over to the left, for the second option you've got is autofill and passwords. So you can click there, see your account, and you can then go and access your password manager and your passwords and passkeys. So this is the Google Password Manager. You can go and see your payments here. So you can access save credit and debit cards and these other options, contact info and addresses, identity docs, including driving licenses, identity cards and passports, travel. You've got some autofill settings and some other related options at the bottom, which you can easily access. You've got privacy and security. So you can go and access these different things like your browsing data. You can delete that and these other things like privacy guide, third-party cookies, adds privacy, security, and site settings, as I said. Change to performance settings, adjust them to your liking. You've also got appearance here as well, so you can go and change these to change how Chrome looks. For example, you could go and turn off the bookmarks bar if you don't want it, like so. You can change the search engine, and you can go and just see that Chrome's the default browser. You can adjust the on startup. You can change the languages. You can go and change some download settings like where they're saved. You can access the accessibility settings, check out the system settings. You can reset them all. You can open up your extensions at the bottom, or you can check out about Chrome there. So that's it.